from the morning you would be hearing some very good lectures. So I would like to take you for another 30-40 minutes. This opportunity, I was very much surprised. You know why? Because when I decided in 2024 that I have to go for an industry talk. In 2024, there was very much work-related activities which was going on, and the dream came true in 2025. I'm very much enthusiastic and also excited. I never thought that I would come to a college called as Vivekananda Institute of Technology. I'm excited, the reason because Vivekananda is my guru. So I never thought that he would give me a blessings to start this industry talk from this college. So I thank for this opportunity, Dr. Manjunath and his team. Okay, so you want a presentation which is created by Mr. Haricharan Kumar. I think you are all from CS AIML department. So you want a presentation which has been created by technology. Which presentation you have? I have two presentations. Let me show you that. You know who has created this presentation? Yeah? Boys and girls, I was also a lecturer. I was also a student like you, sitting there on the chair and discussing among ourselves. Yes, I was one among you. Tell me who has done this presentation. It's a co-pilot. You know this co-pilot? You know co-pilot? ನಾನು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ? ಕೋ-ಪೈಲಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಈಗ ಕೋ-ಪೈಲಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಚಾಟ್ GPT ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಅ ಕೋ-ಪೈಲಟ್. ಐ ಸೆಡ್ innovation and entrepreneurship as a career option. You have to see the slides. It's fantastic, okay? Of course, I did not get to your answer, whether you want my presentation or this technology presentation. Which one you want? Or you want to run this presentation, then you want to decide, is it? Huh? It has created a beautiful presentation, by the way. Just understand how it has created it. It has gone into the defining it, understanding what, trying to help you out with what is innovation and entrepreneurship, what kind of challenges you may get, okay, relationship between what kind of traits you need to have, all these things. Yeah, what kind of challenges may come, how you can overcome these challenges, funding, etc. You know, one thing was missing. One thing was missing, that is nothing but an emotion. It do not know who I am and who you are. Okay, so let me come back to my presentation.